What a beautiful day. Wow, there's trees everywhere. Woo! Yep. It was a little windy. Uh-oh. Look what happened. Some of nature came into the Subaru. Whoo! What a mess. At least Vassar College is still intact. I wonder if we got any treasures. Gosh, this is a good reason not to keep so much crap in your trunk, because when that tree falls on it and it's covered with glass, now you've got to get the glass out of your crap. See? Look at that's kind of golden. That's a stunning piece of bark. I would never have if I didn't have this hole in my window. This is where there's a windshield wiper, but now it isn't really going to wipe anything because it's worth noticing the beautiful marks in the glass and the reflection of the trees on the pulverized window. It used to be more reflective when it wasn't all full of crumples. Well, oh yes, and here, what? How did this happen? I must have thwacked it right there as well. Here's the nasty thwacker. Big thwacker. Bad, bad, bad thwacking. You are a nasty, nasty branch. You are taking away my beautiful fragmented windshield bits and trying to hide them under a lichen. I don't have a lichen for that.